Parallax scroll is the most advanced plus easy way to add parallax effect when scrolling. You can achieve a very freedom layout and beautiful interactive site in just a few clicks. To start, open Element tab, search for Parallax scroll and drag and drop onto the canvas. You will see a floating box appear in the center of layout. Click the plus icon, add an image element. Choose an image. Now, you can drag, resize, and rotate the element to whatever you want. It will stick to the layout. You still have the option to adjust the parameter of position like top and left, scale like width and height, and rotation with angle. Now is the magic part. When you scroll, you will see a subtle vertical parallax. Because of these keyframe at 0%. You will see a position Y property is set to 200, and at 100%, the number is minus 200, which means the content inside will transition from minus 200 px to 200 px corresponding to the scroll parallax element when scroll into it. You can add a keyframe at 50%, like 500 px, so it will move to 500 px first, then back to 200 px. You can add as many keyframes as you want, but keep in mind the property must be added in any keyframe stop to have effect. For example, I will add a scale property of 2. However, there is no effect. I must also add scale property add all keyframes set a value. You can duplicate quickly by hitting the duplicate icon in the pop-up menu. I will change the image. Delete 50% keyframe. Also delete the previous property. I will add a rotate property at 0 and 100%. And now you can see the scroll is synced with the rotation. You can explore to stack multiple properties here to create unique scroll animation, like the hue change. If you just want the sync scroll feature but don't want the element to float, you can disable the drag and drop option. The element will keep all the scroll effect. If you want the parallax scroll to below others, decrease the Z index value. I can set to a very low number like minus 100. Finally, any value you put here is related to one screen size. If you want to change another screen size, click the icon in the top right of Editor. Move the scroll parallax element to different position, resize it. The value for the scroll effect is set to default too, so you need to set the value back. And that is all you have to know to create the most impressive scrolling effect with scroll parallax element.